Bloody gore. Bum, bum, bum. Welcome, welcome, happy crafters. Today, you may have guessed, we're going to do a cup. Now we're doing something a little bit different than some of the ones you've seen me do in the past, because recently you have seen me when I'm working with alcohol ink, which I'm working with today, on my cups. I usually put the resin on it and then I put the alcohol ink on the resin. But today we're gonna be doing it a little differently. I have my rubbing alcohol in my spray bottle, and what I'm going to do is use the Pinata Mantilla Black ink and the Ranger Gumball, which is a pink. So I'm doing black and pink, which is kind of so me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spritz some rubbing alcohol and put some of the inks on and kind of play around with it a little bit and just kind of see what happens and keep playing until until I get something that I like. So we're gonna start by just putting a little bit of alcohol ink, just randomly. And for those of you that maybe aren't super experienced with alcohol ink, it's basically, my understanding is it's basically like rubbing alcohol but with coloring. And so when you use the rubbing alcohol on it, it actually, this dries up really quick, and then the rubbing alcohol brings the color like back. It reliquefies it up to a point. Ooh, this black isn't wanting to open. Bruh, that was intense. Boom. Ba-bum. And I'm gonna try and not get it on the pink as much as possible. Although in the video, the pink kind of looks like red. It kind of looks like blood. Maybe that's what I should have done, as like a bloody cup. Blood. I mean, it's still a little ways till Halloween, but a little bit more here and there. Now that that's there, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna try and spray, you can't really see, but I'm gonna spray down onto the cup so that maybe I don't get stuff everywhere. Okay, let's let that swirl for a minute. No, I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add some more on this side and on the bottom. Spritz it out. That's looking kind of messy and ugly. I don't really like that at all. I'm gonna add more. Let's go for it. Now it's still pretty wet from where I spritzed it, so this should kind of spread and smear a little bit more. I'm gonna be very sad if this doesn't turn out and I have to like wipe it and try something else. Although honestly, I kind of at this point want to get out a red and be like, blood. My black, I'm gonna need to get some new alcohol ink soon. These are getting old. It kind of looks diseased a little bit. It looks gross. Okay, I'm not gonna put any more black. It's plenty of black. I'm gonna put some more pink. We need some pink here and here, and maybe it'll smear some of the black. Oh my gosh, I totally hate whatever this is doing. Come on, behave. Do something decent for me. It's just kind of gross. Okay, new plan. We're putting the pink away, and I'm gonna use one of my alcohol wipes to try and smoosh the cup off a little bit. Alcohol wipe. Ooh, that's fun. I don't know how much of it is actually gonna take off. Not all of it. And smoosh it some more. And drag. Wipe off the bottom. Okay, so the black isn't coming off. The pink is kind of coming off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna look for my red alcohol ink, and then we're gonna play with this some more. This is called Crimson by the Ranger brand. It's been a while since I've done alcohol inks. Woo, woo, woo. Big muscles. Okay, I'm gonna spritz. Now it wants to come off. There, that should be good. All right. Now we're just gonna red. Just put a bunch of red, and we're gonna just smooch it around. Make it look kind of bloody. Blood. Trying to get the bottom. Blood. Blood. When my husband watches this, he's gonna be like, what is happening? Now we're gonna spritz again to help it spread. Spritz. All right, now we're just gonna let it, wait, hold on. There's a dry spot here. Schmutz. Schmutz, I tell you, schmutz. It does kind of look like blood, apart from the spots where the pink is still showing. It looks kind of gory. Yes. I'm just kind of touching up where the pink is like showing through. Okay, and put a little bit more red in there. I actually kind of want to put a drop of black and let it smear and kind of just see what happens. I might ruin it again, but it's fine. So we're just gonna kind of let that turn. I might spritz it again in a minute. Maybe not though, because I think that's why the pink is still showing in spots. Ooh, I like the black, that worked. Spritz again. Oh, run. Run, you beautiful thing. Move. Kind of looks like bloody Saturn. Is Saturn the red one? Bruh. It's been a long time since I was in high school. How many times have I said bruh? We should do like a bruh counter. All right. I think I like it. And I don't know what I'm going to put on it. Some kind of vinyl, I'm sure. Got a nice little spot right here where I can put like some vinyl or something. But I really like it. It's creepy and gory and gross. All right, crafters, we have our handprint, our bloody handprint, and I'm about to peel it. I already did the weeding. It was one big solid piece. It just came right up. But we're about to take this off with our transfer tape and then attach it to our cup. I find that if you get one piece of it up, it's so much easier to get the rest of it up. You just got to get it to stick that initial time, which today, of course, is going to be pain. It's not going to want me to do it. Aha. I got the pinky finger up. Now we're just gonna gently pull across. Come on. Bruh. Done. Woo! Finally. Now I have rotated my cup and this part at the top is where I want my handprint to go. So now I'm just going to align it up. I don't want it to be super straight on, and I'm gonna push down the center and then push out on both sides to make sure we don't have any air bubbles. Oh, that looks amazing. I'm super excited about this cup, guys. Okay, now we're gonna push our vinyl so it stays down, and then we're just gonna pull our transfer tape. Nice. It pulled some of the red off of the cup, like a couple drops, but that's fine. It didn't mess anything up. Let me turn it a little bit so you guys can see it better. That's amazing. Oh, that's super creepy. I absolutely adore it. Okay, so I'm gonna get the resin ready and then we're gonna come back and put our resin on our cup, and then it will turn for a day, and then I'll probably do 2 layers of resin just to make sure that it's nice and thick and on there good. And then we'll be done with our blood and gore cup. So I'm calling it blood and gore. Bloody gore. Bum, bum, bum. So we'll come back whenever I have the resin mixed, guys. Hey, happy crafters, we are finished with our bloody handprint cup. Oh my God, I totally die for this cup. This is like the best accident like ever. So you guys can see it, and I'll turn it like this. It's like the creepiest looking thing, and it looks like blood and gore. It's so Halloween-y, and I just kind of want to keep it for myself, but I've already sold it. So yeah, so that happened. Anyways, it's finished. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this accidental amazing journey that we went on. I hope that you guys had as much fun as I did. Leave me a comment below on what was your favorite part, what you'd like to see me do next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with some of your friends, some of your Halloween-y friends who might like it, because that's the best way to help support me in my channel. Ring the little bell so you guys know about all the amazing content that I have coming up for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace, later, bye. Whoop.